Yes, so we are ready for the trip. Remember, we are having a trip that you will follow us. So this is how we look for the trip, and this is our bags that has been packed. Okay, this is it. You packed it with me yesterday. Yeah, you packed it with me yesterday. I want you to see it. This is how we look. Okay. So we will be preparing to fly. Okay. So you're going to still join me on the journey as we do the trip together. Yeah. So we are done. We are ready. So all you need to do is to stay tuned and enjoy the flow. Enjoy the flow, 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 flow. Okay, so you're welcome to this channel. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, kindly subscribe, kindly comment, kindly click on the bell so you see my videos whenever it comes up. All right, stay tuned while I wait for my taxi, my Uber to come and pick me up. Then we move and I carry you along. So stay tuned. Oh, the cab mat came and I had to leave to the airport. So this is me telling my colleagues, see ya, bye. So I can start up the trip. So I had to go outside to join the vehicle. I was just so happy. Yes, I was. I was like, bye. See ya in how many weeks' time? So we began the journey, and this is how the journey goes. So we are already on our way to the airport. So enjoy the flow while we get to the airport and you see what happened next. Okay, guys, so at the airport at the moment. I'm going to pause for now. So this is where we are at the airport at the moment. So actually waiting. So they can check us in. They can do the normal process. So this is us. This is our luggage. We are actually waiting. It's quite exciting when you know that you're traveling. Do you know that Airpeace did it again? What is the problem? Airpeace did it again. Do you know what happened? Airpeace actually cancelled the flight. After booking for some weeks, Airpeace didn't say anything. They kept mute. Do you know that it's early hours of the day that I'm supposed to travel? That's when Airpeace sent a message that the flight has been cancelled. Can you imagine? No prior notice, just like that. What is really going on with that airline? Last time I said I'm done, it was actually a mistake that this was actually being paid for. It was really a mistake again. And I will make sure this kind of mistake does not happen again. Because you see, Airpeace is a no-no to me. Now, they are no more going. Okay, what is the provision that you actually made for the people that you have cancelled the flights? What's the provision? They told me that the flights are being filled up. Are you kidding me? That I have to wait for like today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I have to wait for 5 days before I can travel. What if I have important things to do? Not if, what if me that have important things to do at these days, and you're telling me to do what? To wait for till Tuesday? It's a no-no to me. I told them to refund my money. I told them to refund it, which I'm actually still fighting for it. I had to look for another way out. Because I still need to still travel at that exact day. Are you seeing the situation? This is not good at all. I really don't know what's going on, but it's a no-no to me. It is a last time for me, and it is a big no-no to me. So guys, my story has been thick enough about this Airpeace thing. I don't know if you've ever experienced such before, but it's a no-no again for me, because I'm not going to do it again. I said it before, and it was a mistake that it happened again. There will not be another chance for any other mistake again. No, I will not give a chance for that kind of mistake anymore. No way, I won't do that. So I'm actually waiting for another flight that I had to choose. I had to look for a way out to go for my trip, because it has to be executed. Yes. So this is me waiting for the check-in, waiting for the boarding pass and everything. I'll keep you posted. Please stay tuned while we do it together. So at this point, we're already checked in. We're just waiting for the airlines to come. The airlines actually went to another state, so we're actually waiting for the airlines to land here so we can continue. So we actually waited. This is the waiting room. We've already checked in, do the normal process. So I left where I was before and now came to this place after checking in and everything. So we are actually waiting for the airlines to come. Since Airpeace disappointed themselves, because not me, they wanted to frustrate themselves because they did not succeed to frustrate me. So I had to go to another airline, that's United Nigeria. Okay, so we have been waiting for the plane. I think I actually went there a little bit earlier. Normal, that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, you know, you have to just go an hour to the boarding time to do the normal process. This is me actually waiting for the normal time to actually fly. Okay, so but we actually waited a long time, yeah, but to God be the glory, everything. I was actually among the first set of people that was actually checked in, because this place is empty. As time goes on, you will see how this place looks. So you know that, wow, It was a very, very big aircraft, seriously. Because I know these aircraft people, they really have small aircraft. I've joined their airline before. It's actually small aircraft. But today, oh my god, I actually joined. It was really, really massive. Don't worry, since you're still with me, you're going to see how massive this airline is. Oh wow. Yeah, so guys, this is the time I'm actually leaving. It's already getting late, but this is the way the situation is. Night flights. Okay, so this is still our journey that we are actually trying to execute. We'll get there. No matter the time, we'll still get to Lagos. Yeah. So I'm going into the aircraft at the moment. Stay tuned. I will still continue the journey. I believe you saw how massive the aircraft was when I was showing you from the outer part. So this is the inner part. I've gotten in, sat down. Wow, I was excited that I was at the window. I actually choose the seat myself online when I was actually trying to check in. I actually checked in online already. So I choose the window part so I could show you this amazing, oh my god, atmosphere. This is amazing. Have you seen it? Look at the appearance. Okay, I had to make sure that I took my time to make you see the environment, see the atmosphere from afar when you are up there. It's beautiful, so glorious. Have you seen the handwork of God? We are just there on top of the air there. Wow. Hey guys, we just landed. Thank God for Johnny Mercy. So we arrived safely. Now we want to get our bags. So this is our bags that are coming. I think I found my bag. Okay, got my bag. Alright, safe. I think we want to use the restroom. Yeah, so guys, we thank God for joining Mercy. So, I'm home. I'm going to see the family again. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It was a nice one. Thank you for toying with me.